Welcome to this third tutorial on creating and connecting the API key with DEX HyperLiquid. We are currently inside the Tr8de.ai platform. Let's click on Exchange, and here we clearly find our opportunities. Let's proceed to click on HyperLiquid. And as you can clearly see here, we will first meticulously generate the essential account nickname. Let's carefully and precisely enter Tr8de.ai. And at this particular point in time, let's diligently copy it, because we will unequivocally need it to seamlessly navigate to HyperLiquid and then accurately paste our designated username. Let's go to More and click on API. As you can see, we enter the API name here perfecten, then we click on Generate. It will clearly generate an address for us, which we should keep there and not use. Let's click on Authorize API Wallet. Perfect. At this point, let's click on Max, because we need to give it the maximum number of days, which is 180. Let's copy the private key, which is very important because we're going to enter it right here. Here we are. Now, let's meticulously go back once more and then proceed to click on the Authorize button. At this particular point in our process, we should navigate directly to the dedicated deposit section in order to successfully retrieve our unique and essential cryptocurrency address. Let's copy it and go back once more to Tr8de.ai, and let's enter our user address. Let's click on Connect Account, and as if by magic, in an instant we're connected, as you can see. Here we also have the limit of 179 days and 23 hours. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial.